Engineers and manufacturers turn to SLS 3D printing for its design freedom, high part quality, and ability to print production-ready parts without support structures. This video walks you through the complete SLS workflow, from software preparation to printing, post-processing, and powder recovery. Every print starts with software, however, the RMS220 is innovative in that it wins at the starting line. You can start preheating the machine before slicing. When the machine is preheating, you can start slicing at the same time, which greatly saves the time of the entire workflow. Export your STL file from your CAD program and load it into our free and easy-to-use software Idea Maker. Maximize build efficiency by tightly packing parts into the chamber. For smaller jobs, the printer only uses the powder needed, reducing waste. Choose your material based on your application. To ensure purity, dedicate one printer to each type of powder when possible. However, switching to another material is not a difficult task, it only takes 45 minutes to switch to another powder and start the next print. Insert a clean build unit 220 and load powder into the printer's hopper. The machine guides you step by step with a touchscreen interface. Once it is ready, send the print task to the printer via USB or Wi-Fi. SLS uses a laser to fuse layers of powder, with unused powder naturally supporting the print, no additional support required. Advanced systems include live camera monitoring and automated failure detection for reliable, unattended printing. After printing is completed, the built-in cooling system of Build Unit 220 can cool down to 100 degrees Celsius within 30 minutes, and then can be pulled out for accelerated cooling. We recommend having multiple Build Unit 220 in your workflow, allowing you to run another print while the previous one is still cooling, allowing for 24/7 production. Transfer the Build Unit 220 to C220-P Cleaning Station for unpacking. The Raise3D C220-P is a post-processing machine for the RMS220 SLS printer. It integrates core functions such as powder recovery, part extraction, and powder mixing. This machine enables users to swiftly separate the printed parts from the molding unit and assists in completing subsequent powder metering and preparation tasks. In order to greatly enhance the user experience, we have made a lot of design optimizations and improvements. You can choose any comfortable posture, standing or sitting for post-processing. You can also adjust the elbow rest at will to achieve the most comfortable state. Use the provided tools to extract parts. Collect unused powder, and filter it for reuse in future prints. The glove box is flexibly removable according to different needs. The recycled powder will be collected in this powder cartridge, and mixing the new powder and old powder in a certain proportion for the next use. A media blaster is recommended to remove surface powder. Final parts can also be dyed, painted, or smoothed to suit your needs. Final parts are strong, functional, and ready for testing or end use straight off the printer. Take full control of your prototyping and production. With Raise3D RMS220 SLS 3D printing, the future of manufacturing is in your hands.